Drowning in project chaos, let's transform that mess into streamlined success with Taskade, your all-in-one collaboration tool. First, head to taskade.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, create a new workspace. Think of this as your central hub for all things project-related. Give it a relevant name like marketing campaign or website redesign. Now, let's build our project. Taskade offers tons of ready-made templates for everything from meeting agendas to product roadmaps. Choose one that fits, or start from scratch. Click on a task to rename it, add subtasks, and assign it to a team member. Just type their name and Taskade will notify them. Unleash the power of mind mapping. Click the View button to switch to the mind map view and visualize your project's structure. The best part: Taskade allows real-time collaboration, so everyone can contribute and see updates instantly, eliminating those endless email threads. Communication is key, and Taskade has you covered. Use the built-in chat to discuss tasks, share ideas, and keep everyone in the loop. Need a quick face-to-face? Initiate a video call directly within Taskade. No need for external apps. Stay organized with different views. Toggle between list, board, calendar, and org chart views to find the perspective that works best for you and your team. That's your quick start guide to Taskade. From task organization to mind mapping and real-time communication, Taskade is your secret weapon for collaborative project management. Now go forth, conquer your projects, and experience the magic of Taskade. #Taskade #collaboration tools.